This is Minimalist SPF 50 sunscreen with niacinamide, vitamin B5 and F. And trust me, I'm going to give it a hard time in this video. I've done an oily test, texture test, white cast test, and all the ways I could give an unsponsored, unbiased review for this sunscreen. So let's get started, shall we?
Since it's winters in Delhi, मेरी skin अभी dry side पे है. Generally, my skin is combination to normal, but currently it's quite light dry.
Packaging first, it's a standard minimalist plastic tube packaging with a screw open cap which always have a chance of leaking in your bag if you're carrying it. On the back side of the tube, they have given all the ingredients and full details about the UV filters. Price of the sunscreen is 399 for 50 grams of quantity. Pretty decent, pretty affordable as per me. Now let's have a closer look at the texture of the sunscreen. When I've opened it, I saw that it's a thick, creamy, proper cream and moisturizer consistency wala sunscreen. And by looking at the texture itself, I wasn't very sure that it's going to be suitable for oily skin, but I don't want to be too quick to judge when it comes to any minimalist product. I've been a fan of this brand and I've tried a lot of products all over the years, so it was time I test it on my face. So I've started putting it on my face. This was my bare skin after a moisturizer and a cleanser. Even though the texture felt a little heavy on the hands, it was spreading easily on my skin. There was no thickness in spreading it, but I can definitely see that it's going to take a lot of time to blend in.
Obviously, the blending is taking way too long. I have seen sunscreens which blend in quickly. Also, it's feeling heavy on the skin. It obviously depends on कि आप कितनी quantity लगाते हो, but जितनी अभी मैंने लगाई है, I think उससे ज़्यादा ही चाहिए और इतनी भी sticky feel हो रही है skin पे, थोड़ी सी heavy feel हो रही है. Let's have a look at the oil test.
I left the good amount of quantity of the sunscreen on tissue paper and left it for about 30 minutes and went on terrace to test how sunscreen feels in broad daylight.
Be walking for 15 minutes and we'll see how this stays.
So I ended up spending more than 15 minutes, so about 45 minutes I spent in the sun to actually test it.
So time for final verdict.
So in the shade, the sunscreen is fine. I am okay with it. It obviously is heavy, it is sticky. So definitely not recommended for people with oily skin type because see, it's so shiny. It gives you a lot of oiliness wala look on your face, which oily skin people hate. Dry skin people would love this texture. It's going to add another layer of moisturization to the skin. So it's going to be good for dry skin people. White cast also I can see slight white cast given जो quantity लगाई थी थोड़ी कम थी, तो white cast तो definitely है इसमें, and अभी भी लग रहा है कुछ लगाया हुआ है heavy. And then for the oily test, obviously as I could feel it on my skin, I could also see it on the tissue paper कि ये काफ़ी oiliness छोड़ रहा है tissue paper पे भी, and definitely it will leave oiliness on your skin also with the time.
A stick test, how sticky it is. The toilet paper is literally stuck to my face, so it is sticky. Quite sticky, as I said. I am going to rate the sunscreen as 5 by 10. Texture wise, I did not like the sticky or the heaviness that it leaves on your face. It's still there. It also leaves a little bit of white cast. And then I've also seen कि ये ऐसे से रगड़ के it starts peeling. Leaves a lot of shine on the face. So definitely not recommended for people with oily to extremely oily skin type. Only people who are extremely dry might like this sunscreen, but I am a normal combination and I'm not liking it. It also is stinging my eye. This is only reserved for very dry skin type people. I will not repurchase it and I will not recommend it. Alright, so this is all we had for today's video. There's a review video also जो मैंने shoot करी है, comparison of Minimalist with Plum and Wishcare. I don't know which one will come first. So hit the like button and subscribe so that you do not miss any latest videos. Alright, bye. I'll see you again.